100 feet off the driveway and we hear clicky sounds. Drive it up. Drive it up a little bit. Let me see if I hear the clicky. It's up front. It's up front. It's whenever you turn, you hear a clicky.
You know what? We didn't bring our toolkit with us.
Oh, right there. Do you want to go grab the toolkit? All right. BRB.